Hi there, students. The bare bones, the bare, naked bones. Okay, this is the most important facts about something, but without any of the detail. So I can't tell you more than the bare bones of what happened. I haven't even got the bare bones of a meal in the fridge. I'll have to go and do the shopping. We've outlined only the bare bones of the method. Let's see, when people give me recipes, I generally like them just to give me the bare bones, not all the details. So the bare bones, you need flour, salt, a little bit of sugar and water, and you mix it all together, and a bit of yeast as well. Okay, the bare bones. Okay, it's just the essential of something, the basic of it, the frame, the skeleton, if you like, without the flesh. You can flesh it out afterwards. So the bare bones, the most basic parts, the most basic details. We worked out the bare bones of a deal, but we're going to be several days working out the exact details. We're going to be several days fleshing it out. He told me the bare bones of the story. So yeah, these were the bare bones of the story. The staff of working in the company is reduced to the bare bones in the month of August. So the most basic elements, the most important parts of something without all of the extra. So this these are the bare bones of the project, but we will have to do a lot to actually finish it. Okay, so he explained to me the bare bones. You have the bare bones of a boat here, but you're going to have to do a lot of repair to make it into the real thing. Okay, so the bare bones of something. The photos revealed the bare bones of a project. He doesn't need all the details right now. Just give him the bare bones. That will be enough. I've got just enough money here to do it. This is the bare bones of what of the money I need. It would be better with more, or maybe the staff or the team you need to do something. I've got the bare bones of a football team here, but it would be better with more players. I had very little time, so I could only give him the bare bones of the details. I couldn't go into it. Yeah, so it's to reduce something, to compress it to the basic, to the essential elements, to the smallest elements of something. You break it down into the shortest, smallest little bits. Yeah, I don't need all the details. Just give me the bare bones. Yeah, just the basic essential. Yeah, the essential and most elementary parts of something. You don't have to go through it in detail. Just give me the bare bones, the plain essentials, the framework of it, the skeleton, if you like. And then we can work out the rest of it. So the bare bones, I think formality, the bare bones of something. I think I'm going to give it a 4.5 in formality. I think use anywhere except in something very, very formal. And I would say that this is a phrase that you use most often in business. Yeah, I've got the bare bones of this. Now all I need to do is put it together. I had so little time that I could only tell him the bare bones of the story, but I promised to give him the details later. So this is like just the skeleton, no more than the very skeleton of what is required. Let's see. I think if you want to play football. I think the bare bones is just having a football. Yeah, a football and a piece of ground where you can play. Then you could do all sorts of other things. But the bare bones, the bare essentials, the bare necessities. So the bare bones.